guilty until proven innocent. Yan po ang topic na pag-uusapan po natin ngayon dito sa Drive With Me podcast at sa YouTube, mga pa-YouTube channel. Mukhang funny. I think that's what's going on at present on the attitude towards PPRD, like guilty until proven innocent. Maraming opposition against him, who is the current administration ng paningin kay PPRD na siya na yung criminal. And let me go back, and siya na yung criminal, but he already committed a crime. He's already guilty. That's what I'm saying. Por favor, senyor, mea culpa. And going back to that statement, lalo na sa social media, looking at all the comments and all the backlash, like, ito siya, when he doesn't deserve any due process because when he committed those crimes to the victims of BJK, there was no due process. That's the thing. That's the thing, because you cannot correct a mistake by doing another mistake. I think the word is due process. Due process. Now, it's Holy Week, and I guess this message flies because let's look at it on a Christian perspective. Yun na lang po. Let's look at it on a Christian perspective. We try to contemplate, meditate, and think things how Jesus lived his life in this world, how he sacrificed, and how to be saved, and then he gave his life. So this is the time where we contemplate. But what I'm saying is, this is a time when we try to meditate, contemplate, and try to think things where we are at in our walk. Sa ating Christian life, and our attitudes, emotions, thoughts in line with our faith. Now, going back dito sa issue ng PPRD, you know what, the difference between, I guess, justice and vengeance is very huge. Malaki masyado ang difference natin. Before going into that, let's go back to the facts regarding PPRD and ICC. I am not a PPRD supporter. I'm not a PBM supporter. I am a supporter of truth here in the Lone Star State. So, going back to the facts, he is now in The Hague, and he will be in trial come this when? September? Am I correct? Let me know kung tama po yun. And what does that mean? Trial is still in progress. He is not guilty. He is presumed innocent until there is a final decision of the court, right? And there are three probable decisions, three possible outcomes. Number one, he will be indicted. He will be found guilty. That's number one. Then we could say that he is guilty because it was the court who saying it. Number two, he will be found innocent. Tama po ba? So if makita siyang innocent, yung ating pag pinagsasabi na criminal yan, ganito, he doesn't deserve any due process, like, it will be all down the drain. Why? Because it is the international court who says it. No, it's still a debate. Like, hindi na nga tayo part of international court. They don't have any jurisdiction. But that's another story. I'm talking about outcomes. Third outcome, mistrial. And then, if it's a mistrial because of the technicalities on how he was brought to Hague, whether it is an arrest, a kidnapping, or should I say, it is a surrender, and the court, found out may problema when he was, should I say, surrendered to the state, to the Hague rather. Sabi na, let's dismiss this trial. So marami pang outcomes. There are several possibilities, and we cannot right away say he is a criminal, he is guilty. And that's what's going on. Like, he's being treated like he's already guilty. He might be guilty, but let's leave it up to the courts. Ito parating naririnig natin. Paano yung mga biktima niya, walang awang pinagpapatay during his term sa drug war? Well, let's put it up to the courts. Let the court decide. The difference, again, between a civil society and a lawless society is due process. Dinala sa Hague because we want justice to prevail. And
Well,
if
the
we
Philippines'
are
former president Rodrigo
emotional
Duterte
about
has been
things,
arrested
when
on
we
suspicion
don't
of
really
crimes against
think
humanity.
about,
Duterte
when we
had been
don't
under
think about
investigation
due process,
for his brutal
how are
war
we
on
different
drugs. Let's bring in
from the
our Asia
person that
correspondent Stash
we
Butler,
want
who's
to
live for us
be
in Taipei.
prosecuted? And
What do
I
we know
cannot
about
just
the
go
arrest,
in
Stash?
because, come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up.
Well, the
These
Philippines
people take some
presidential office
time.
said that it serves the
Okay.
arrest warrant that ultimately came from the
So turn
International
that
Criminal
down.
Court to Duterte
So yun.
shortly
And
after
I
he'd
hope
landed at Manila
on
Airport
Hollywood
after he'd been on
season,
a
let's try
short
to
campaigning
keep
trip
sa atin.
in
We are
Hong
so
Kong. It says
judgmental.
that the
So
president, the
it's
former
okay
president
to
rather, is
air
in custody,
opinions,
that he's in
air our
good
thoughts,
health.
have
Duterte's lawyer
our
says that
freedom of speech
the arrest
out
was
there.
unlawful and that
However,
Duterte had
in
no legal
every statement
representation.
that comes
His
out from
daughter
our mouth,
also
there
said
is
that there was no
accountability.
arrest warrant.
The
She
things that
posted
we
this video of
say
the former
should be
president on
accountable.
Instagram.
Ang problema kasi, bilis natin mag-type sa computer or nating mobile device.
Okay.
Talo pa natin si General Torre like, di ba? So,
Can
like,
you
easy
kill
for
me
us
with a
to make
knife?
comments, ang bilis-bilis, and there's a lot of ad hominems. It's so common sa YouTube, it's so common sa Facebook na like, we are here for good discussion, intellectual discussion. We're not here to battle things out, to just share our thoughts, and then do a civil, formal argument kung tama o hindi. Kung tama ka, like, I accept. Mali ako. Ganun lang naman eh. If you think I'm wrong or far different from yours, this is a town hall where we could discuss things in a civil manner rather than ad hominems, yung mga gago ka, stupido, tanga, whatever. That is not the Christian message. Those are the things that we really should think about during the Holy Week. Let's reflect our attitude sa social media and the attitude in a political scale. Let's think about that. Because kapag tayo ay sobrang init ng ulo, sobrang stress, tumataas ang ating cortisol level. And cortisol increases our blood pressure by causing vasoconstriction. Magkakasakit tayo dyan. We don't want that to happen. We do social media. I guess, be aware, at least, not to the point of being stressed out, na galit sa tao. Parang kinakain nyo na. Like, we totally understand about the different crimes, the different emotions. But what I'm saying is, what I'm pointing out is, leave it to the justice system. Let them decide. And with regards to PPRD, he is innocent until proven guilty, until proven otherwise. A person is presumed innocent before proven guilty. And that's what civil society is. Meron pa akong isang pag-uusapan eh. I'm gonna talk about itong nangyaring tariff, this tariff wars that involves not just China and US, but I think it's a global thing. My thoughts on PPRD
How is
or
he?
the attitude towards him. And I cannot, what I'm saying is I cannot control
physically
your
and emotionally.
emotions. I'm not going to state
Well, as I
anything,
said,
but
he's in
when
good
we
spirits,
reflect
and I will
during the
keep on
Holy
saying
Week,
that because he
let's
is in good
reflect
spirits.
on our attitude
Obviously, he's 80
towards
years
it.
old,
Huwag masyadong emotional, and look at it
with all the
on a
accompanying
different
medical issues that
perspective.
accompany
Antayin
someone
natin
who's
ng
80
korte,
years old,
antayin
and it's
natin ng
not
ICC
easy
na
to get
magsabi,
adjusted
if
to
you find
the life
this
in
content
UN
helpful,
detention or
don't
ICC
forget to like, share,
detention.
subscribe.
So
Yan yung mga
those are the
comment
only
po natin.
challenges
Alam
he's
mo na,
facing at the moment.
masyadong yung mga
All right,
abdominals
Attorney
na siraan.
Karen.
If you think na mali yung sinabi
Everything
ko,
that I've
well,
said
at least
regarding the need to
just
respect the
say it
judicial
bluntly.
process is something that I
Wag
know
na
that
yung
he
mga
endorses fully.
meron pang mga extra
Okay.
na sinasabi. Because we are all civil people. We understand. After a good conversation na balitaktakan, we can move forward and be a better person.